Okay, so picture this. You're 3D printing something cool in multicolor, multi-material, and instead of stopping everything, clean the nozzle, purge, and waste a ton of filament, the machine just switches the nozzle itself. Does it sound cool? Well, that technology is here right now. Hey everyone, today we're diving into what's happening with consumer 3D printing and where it's headed, and specifically why multi-nozzle or multi-head printers are about to change everything. Let's be real. How much filament have you wasted just to try to get beautiful multicolor or multi-material print? It's a lot, and it costs money. Plus, all that purging slows down your prints, and it's very frustrating. That's why multi-nozzle systems are such a big deal. They let you change colors and materials on the fly. No more massive waste, just print faster and way cooler designs. Let's talk about who's actually doing it well. And right now, Bambu Lab is leading the pack. Their H2 series is seriously impressive stuff. They really nailed the integration. It just works. But the new H2C with the Vorteck system, that's where things get exciting. It's not perfect, you still get a little bit of purging, but it's way better than the X1 or the P1 series. Bambu Lab isn't just about speed though. They seem really focused on reliability and quality. They want these printers to just work, day in and day out. And honestly, that's a huge selling point for me. Now, Prusa's stepping up one too. They've teamed up with Bondtech to bring the Index and the Core 1, a multi-tool head system that's pretty mind-blowing. The nozzle swaps are insanely fast, like under 8 to 10 seconds, and you can have up to 8 nozzles on the Core 1. You can have more if you have an open clipper machine with a large gantry, which means that's a crazy amount of color options and material options. And that's very serious, impressive engineering. Prusa's always been a known and trusted name for quality. And Bondtech also has been trusted when it comes to extruders, so that gives me confidence that the Index will be a great multi-nozzle system. Not everyone wants to spend a ton of money when it comes to their hobbies. That's where the Snapmaker U1 comes in. It was a huge success on the Kickstarter, and for under $1,000 you get a machine with 4 tool heads, and that's pretty cool to me. It is not going to be as upgradable like the Core 1 with Index, but more like an affordable Prusa XL. But it's a great way to dip your toes into multi-material printing without breaking the bank. It can handle most filaments, also engineering like nylon with an enclosure. But the great point is that it can do all of this at an incredible price. But it doesn't end here. If you want to see what's really possible, check out the AtomForm Palette 300. This thing is wild. They just showed it off at CES. 12 nozzles? Seriously? It can handle up to 36 colors and 12 materials simultaneously. The waste reductions are insane, like up to 90% less than traditional printing. That's a whole new level of possibilities. It's definitely pricey and it looks a little complex, but if you're serious about multi-material printing, this is the one to watch. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to give it a look for yourself. Now, for a bit of a rant, There are so many companies out there just churning out cheap clones. Elegoo, Anycubic, Creality, you know the names. Honestly, it's really disappointing. They're not really innovating, they're just copying what works and cutting corners to save money. And I'm looking at you, Creality. They just flood the market with low quality, cheaper clones and make it harder for good companies to stand out. Or maybe it just makes it easier. So what does this all mean? I think multi-nozzle systems are going to become the new standard. We'll see them get faster, more reliable, and eventually more affordable. Bambu Lab, Prusa, Snapmaker, and AtomForm are definitely ones to keep an eye on. They are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with consumer 3D printing right now. So, what do you think? Are you excited about multi-nozzle printers? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more. I'll keep you updated on all things 3D printing.